What's up, everyone? Today I'm breaking down exactly how you can earn $500 a day online, no investment needed. Forget the myths, you don't need money to make money. I'll show you real, practical methods anyone can start today. I've done the research, and I'm giving you the step-by-step blueprint platforms, skills, and strategies. This isn't a list of random ideas, these are actionable steps to change your financial life. $500 a day is $15,000 a month. That's life-changing, and it's possible if you follow along. So silence your phone, close your tabs, and stick around for the bonus tips at the end. They could supercharge your earnings. Let's dive in and start making money. First up, freelancing. If you're looking for a way to take control of your income, your schedule, and your life, freelancing is the ultimate starting point. It's not just a side hustle, it can become your main gig, your ticket to financial freedom, and a way to work on your own terms. If you have a computer and an internet connection, you can literally start right now from anywhere in the world. No fancy office, no expensive equipment, just your skills and your drive. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer.com are packed with people and businesses searching for help. They need writers, virtual assistants, social media managers, designers, editors, video creators, translators, and so much more. There's a demand for almost every skill you can imagine. Don't think you have skills? Think again. Most people underestimate what they already know or can do. If you can write a clear email, organize a calendar, or use social media, you're already ahead of the game. Even basic skills are valuable to someone who needs help. The hardest part is landing your first client. That's where most people get stuck. They hesitate, they doubt themselves, and they never take the leap. But here's the secret. Make your profile shine. Use a professional photo, write a killer bio that shows your personality and skills, and showcase any work you've done, even if it's just personal projects or things you did for friends. Every bit counts. When you send proposals, make them personal and specific. Mention the client's name, address their needs directly, and show you've read their job post. Clients want to know you care about their project, not just the paycheck. Start with a lower rate to get your first review. Social proof is your golden ticket. Once you have a few 5-star reviews, you'll stand out from the crowd. Specialize in something you enjoy or know well. Be the go-to expert in one niche, like email copywriter for tech startups, or virtual assistant for busy entrepreneurs. Niche experts charge more and attract better clients. Once you have reviews and a bit of experience, raise your rates. Don't be afraid to value your time and skills. $50 an hour is absolutely possible. That's just 10 hours of work for $500. Imagine what you could do with that extra cash. Pay off debt, save for a trip, or invest in your future. Get efficient with your workflow. Use productivity tools, templates, and apps to save time. The faster you work, the more you earn per hour. Don't stick to just one platform, be everywhere. The more places you show up, the more opportunities you'll find. Apply to jobs daily. It's a numbers game, and consistency is key. The more you put yourself out there, the faster you'll land gigs. The biggest barrier is starting. Most people never even try, and that's why they never succeed. So sign up, create your profile, and send your first proposal today. Don't overthink it, just take action. Freelancing is real work, but it's flexible, and it can pay $500 a day from your bedroom, your favorite coffee shop, or even while you travel. Take action after this video. Your first client is waiting for you. Every successful freelancer started with 0 experience and 0 clients. This is your first step to $500 a day. The only thing standing between you and your freelancing goals is the action you take right now. So go for it. Next up, remote customer service jobs, one of the most accessible and flexible ways to earn money from home. If you enjoy talking to people, solving problems, or just want a job where you can work in your pajamas, this could be your perfect fit. Companies everywhere are looking for friendly, reliable communicators to help their customers. Whether you're answering questions, troubleshooting issues, or just making someone's day a little easier, you can get paid well for your people skills, all without leaving your house. And it's not just about answering phone calls anymore. Many customer service jobs now include live chat, email support, and even managing social media messages. If you're more comfortable typing than talking, there are plenty of options for you too. You can find these jobs on sites like FlexJobs, We Work Remotely, and Remote.co. There are hundreds of companies hiring right now, from big brands to small startups, all looking for remote customer service reps. Don't be afraid to apply to several positions at once. The demand is huge and many companies offer flexible schedules, part-time or full-time hours, and even benefits. Worried you don't have direct experience? Don't stress. If you've ever worked in retail, food service, hospitality, or any job where you help people, you already have valuable skills. Highlight those experiences on your application. Emphasize your communication, patience, and problem-solving abilities. These are what employers are really looking for. Make sure to tailor your resume for each job. Use keywords from the job description and always include a cover letter that shows your enthusiasm and professionalism. A little effort here can make you stand out from the crowd. Entry-level pay usually starts at $15 to $20 an hour, but if you have tech skills or sales experience, you can land roles paying $30 or more per hour. Some companies even offer bonuses for great performance. Want to maximize your earnings? Many chat and email support jobs have downtime between messages. Some people work for 2 companies at once, doubling their income and making it possible to hit $500 a day. The key is time management. Use a digital calendar to organize your shifts and set reminders so you never miss a beat. With good planning, you can juggle multiple gigs and boost your daily pay. When it's time for the video interview, set yourself up for success. Choose a quiet spot, make sure your background looks tidy and professional, and use good lighting. Smile, be positive, and let your personality shine through. One of the best perks? Stability. Unlike freelancing, remote customer service jobs usually offer a steady paycheck, predictable hours, and sometimes even health benefits. Use this as your financial foundation. Once you have a steady income, you can start stacking other side hustles or freelance gigs to reach your $500 a day goal. Remember, multiple streams of income are the real secret to financial freedom. Start applying today and take the first step toward building your remote work empire. My favorite method for building real, lasting income: selling digital products. This is the ultimate way to turn your knowledge, skills, or creativity into a stream of money that keeps flowing, even when you're not working. Imagine waking up to new sales notifications knowing your hard work is still paying off. The beauty of digital products? You create them once, and then you can sell them over and over again with almost zero extra effort. That means pure profit after your initial work is done. There are endless possibilities: ebooks, workout plans, templates, online courses, printables, digital art, planners, or even music. If you have expertise, a passion, or a unique perspective, you can package it and sell it to people who need it. You don't need fancy software or a big budget. Use free tools. Write your content in Google Docs, design beautiful covers and graphics in Canva, and organize your files with Google Drive or Dropbox. When you're ready to sell, platforms like Gumroad or Payhip make it simple. Just upload your product, set your price, and you're in business. No need for a website or complicated tech. There are no upfront costs, just your time and creativity. Upload your product, set a price that reflects its value, and start selling. But remember, marketing is the secret sauce that gets your product in front of buyers. Use social media platforms like TikTok and Instagram to reach your audience. Share behind-the-scenes content, quick tips, or even your own story to connect with potential customers. Or start a YouTube channel and share valuable advice in your niche. The more you help people, the more they'll trust you, and the more likely they are to buy from you. Mention your product naturally in your content. For example, if you want more details, check out my guide, link in bio. Make it easy for people to find and buy your product. Let's say you price your ebook at $20, sell just 25 copies and you've made $500. That's the power of digital products: scalable, repeatable income. One viral post or video can bring in dozens or even hundreds of sales overnight. Consistency and creativity are your best friends here. Go niche with your product. For example, a 12-week at-home workout for busy moms speaks directly to a specific audience and solves a real problem. Niche products almost always sell better than generic ones because they feel tailor-made for your customer. Don't forget about Pinterest for free long-term traffic. Create eye-catching pins in Canva, link them to your product, and let Pinterest's search engine bring you new buyers every day. Over time, your pins can keep working for you, bringing in sales while you focus on creating new products or enjoying your free time. The upfront work you put in now pays off for months or even years. There's nothing like the feeling of seeing those first sales come in. Sales can come in while you sleep, travel, or spend time with family. Start with just one product, learn from the process, and keep improving. As you gain experience, you can scale up, add more products, reach new audiences, and grow your passive income. The opportunity is real, but it only works if you take action. So don't wait, create and launch your first digital product today. Your future self will thank you for taking the leap. Next up, affiliate marketing. Promote products you love, earn commissions, no inventory or customer service. Pick a niche you care about: tech, fitness, cooking, pets, anything. Join affiliate programs. Amazon Associates is a great start, but many brands offer higher commissions. Promote with valuable content. Start a blog, YouTube channel, or niche Instagram. Review products, share honest opinions, and include your affiliate links. High-ticket items mean fewer sales needed. One $1,000 course at 40% commission is $400. Build trust. Don't spam links. Help your audience make smart choices. Grow an email list by offering a freebie, then recommend products in your newsletter. Affiliate marketing takes time, but old content keeps earning for years. Plant the seeds now, and watch your passive income grow. Start creating content and sharing your links today. Last method, online tutoring. If you're good at a subject, people will pay for your help. No teaching degree needed, just expertise and the ability to explain. Math, science, English, test prep, coding, music, there's demand for everything. Sign up on VIP Kid, Chegg Tutors, or Tutor.com. Create a standout profile. Highlight your skills, scores, and experience. Rates range from $20 to $60 plus per hour. Group tutoring boosts your earnings. Teach 5 students at $20 each. That's $100/hour. Go independent for even more. Set up a simple website or Facebook page and keep 100% of your fees. Market yourself in local groups and forums for free. Tutoring is rewarding. You help others and get paid well. Check top tutor profiles for inspiration, then model your own. Your knowledge is valuable. Connect with those who need it. Start tutoring today and build your income from home. Your brain can make you $500 a day. There you have it, 5 real ways to earn $500 a day with zero investment. Freelancing, remote customer service, digital products, affiliate marketing, and tutoring. These are your blueprints. Pick one, take action, and start today. Don't wait. If you found value, smash that like button, subscribe, and tell me in the comments which method you'll try first. Grab your free resource guide in the description for bonus tips and tools. Now stop watching. Go start your journey to $500 a day. Good luck.